G'day, beautiful afternoon here, and you can see this very old barn, well over 100 years old, probably about 150 years old actually. I'm going to be whippersnipping around that to look after it. Hopefully there's no snakes in there, but oh, well, if there is, they'll be just as scared of me as I am of them. But yeah, she's definitely not short grass. I don't know if there's anything around the other side. Have a look. Oh no, it's nothing around the other side. Oh, there's blackberries, so I got the wrong tool for that job. But I'll whippersnip all down there and see what she looks like. But when you get a real old barn like that, it's just a real feature in the country area. So, oh, I should be able to open the gate. Yep, just. Oh, yeah. Yep. So, don't really want it to have this grass here in case it burns it down. It's managed to last around 150 years, so might as well look after it now. Just going to check what sort of ground I'm looking at here. There's a few rocks and things. Oh, hey! Oh. At least you can see me coming. Up. Now, but well, matter, I'll still get it done. I just don't know if there's any memory left on the boat. Well, she stopped working halfway through, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea there from this to this. I'm now going to go up the last bit, up the back. I was looking in there because it looks like some old cats used to be living in there. This used to be an old school, she said. An old schoolhouse. Right, now I'm going to put this down in here, and then I might whippersnip this part first, so just so you can see, just purely so you can see what I'm doing. I don't know when she ran out, but I've done it all now. About 45 to 50 minutes. There she is. Looking different. That's where I was, whippersnipping over there in the rain and wind and whatever. But that old building is an old school house. The lady who lives here said she went to school there about 90 years ago. That's interesting, and now at least it won't burn to the ground. So I'll get to it.